What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel for more hockey card videos. Yay! I know. I'm addicted. I have a problem. Anyway, so today we're gonna be taking a look at 18. Is it 1819? Yes, 1819 Ice right here. Yeah, this is one of those products that, of course, I never got a chance to try because I was not into the hobby at the time. So in this one right here, there's some really cool looking acetate cards and whatnot. This is a cool looking set as far as I've seen. And yeah, this year right here, obviously we're gonna be looking for Mr. Elias Pettersson with the rookies and stuff like that. So hopefully we can get a cool card of him. Other than that, honestly, I have no idea what to expect here. There's a bunch of different really cool parallels. I'll put it up here right there. There's the odds for you guys. I'll try to leave it up there for a second so you guys can pause it if you want to, if you've not seen this. But there's these really cool cards. There's like the Sub-Zero cards, the Star cards, rookie cards, of course, rookies gold, all sorts of different things like that. There's these enshrined cards. There's all sorts of crazy stuff you can get out of here. Yeah, so we're going to try to see what we can get out of this thing. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and roll the intro and get right into this box. Alright guys, so like I said, I don't really know too much about this product. I just got it because it was on a really awesome Black Friday sale. So it was usually more, but I got it for, I believe, $64.95 on the Black Friday sales for this. Yeah, you guys are going to be hearing a lot of my Black Friday deals that I got. But anyway, yeah, so I decided to get it. This thing is 5 cards per pack, 6 packs in the box, so it's going to be a shorter one. But yeah, there's some, you know, you can collect these 5 levels of Ice Premier's rookie cards. It says averaging 2 per box. But yeah, you're going to be able to get some pretty cool hits. It says, look, grab 1 hard signed autograph and 1 memorabilia or exquisite card in every box. So looking forward to that. Hopefully we get some good stuff. Let's get this thing open. All right, guys, so there you go. There is 1819 Ice right there. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and, since it's one of those little boxes, sorry, Mr. Alexis Lafreniere, we're going to go ahead and put this right in front of you. And we'll use that as our background since we're opening these packs. Let's go ahead and get in here. So I'm going to do my usual thing that I do with these smaller boxes we've been doing on the channel. I'm going to flip them around and we are going to do them upside down. I'm going to start, this is pretty much going to be like my normal thing for the channel now. When I do these kind of boxes, I'm just going to flip these upside down and I'm going to go from there. All right, so first pack up here, we're going to go, I always use my right hand, so let's go ahead. Let's just use the right side pack. So here's what the packs look like right there. There we go. And it's got that Upper Deck 30th anniversary. So I believe there's some cards in here that have to do with that 30th anniversary. So we may see stuff like that. So yeah, here we go. First pack. Let's get her going. All right. So, and I believe this might be the year where they stopped. Yeah, so they did stop doing every card as an acetate card. They used to have every card as an acetate, and now they actually have the regular card look like this for the base cards. So these actually look really cool, I think. They're actually nice looking cards right here, but they give this really nice foil background to each card, which I think looks awesome. So there you go. There's a base card of Ryan O'Reilly. And then we got John Gibson. So I see we have a hit behind there. So let's go ahead and just go here. We got Brent Burns right there. Base card. Throw that over there. And then, oh, we have another one. Okay, so here we got 2 hits in this pack. Holy crap. Okay, so John Gibson right here. And then we got an Austin Matthews green right there. I believe that's just a base card. It's not numbered. So yeah, we got an Austin Matthews green background parallel. So there you go. There's that. And then let's go ahead and take a look at this right here. Ooh. Okay. Oh, this might be. Oh, man. We have a rookie Sub-Zero of Anthony Cirelli. That is a cool card. Look, see, there's the acetate. It's got a nice little glow behind it, too. Very nice. That is numbered out of 999. So it's not a super big hit, but it's a very cool looking Sub-Zero card, though. I like this. I actually really like the Lightning, not just because they were just Stanley Cup champions. I've always liked them. But yeah, this is a really cool looking card. I like it a lot. These acetate cards are very, very nice looking. So that's awesome. All right. So there's our first sort of hit of the box. So let's keep going here. Let's go. Should we just do each side? Yeah, let's just do each side. Let's stay to the right first. I'm trying to do these every, you know, different ways every time just to, you know, vary it up for you guys. So oh, that pack opened weird. These packs open very easily, by the way. These are just literally just coming apart really easily. Okay, so here we go. Starting off with Mr. Seth Jones in the base here. Oh, I think we got really lucky, maybe. No, maybe not. So anyway, Seth Jones there. There's that. And then we got an Henrik Lundqvist green right here. From the back, we got Leon Draisaitl base. And then, oh, wow. Okay, this is actually a really good Oh my lord. I don't even know what to do here. This is a really good pack. Henrik Lundqvist. As you see right here, we got a Christian Vesalainen rookie Sub-Zero auto. So that is freaking cool. Wow. Okay, that's pretty awesome. And then right behind it, we have an exquisite rookies of Dennis Cholowski. Out of, that looks like $2.99 right there. Yeah, $2.99. Okay. So I don't know this guy at all, so I don't know if that may not even be a good hit because I have no idea who this guy is, but yeah, that's a cool card though. Exquisite rookies right there. There's a fun one. Okay, so that was fun. All right, I mean, not bad. Cool. Let's go ahead and put our, oops. Let's go ahead and put our auto here. It also is blue, by the way. This is a blue parallel compared to the other one. I'll show you the difference here. I don't know if all the autos are this color, but here we go. So here's the regular numbered Sub-Zero right there with this one. And I believe, is this rookie? Is this numbered? It's not. So yeah, this one's not numbered, but it has an auto. This one's numbered. So I don't know. There you go. Okay, next pack of the right side. Here we go. Okay, so this one's got a filler in it. You can definitely see it in this one. All right, so we got Mikko Rantanen in the base here. And then we have Jack Eichel, green. Nice. And then we got the filler card. And we got a Christian Wolainen, 101 out of 999 premieres. That's a cool looking acetate card right there. Yeah, there you go. That's a cool one. Nice. Very cool looking card. Okay, again, don't know this guy, but there's a 999 variation card right there. So I'll put that there. And then we got Jonathan Huberdeau and Jamie Benn. So I'm not sure if we've already got our hits because I got one auto already. So I don't know. We'll keep going and see if we get anything else. Let's go to the left side here. All right, what do we got in this pack? Okay, let's see what we got here. So I'm trying not to give away too much as I'm opening the pack here. Okay. So here we go. We got Sergei Bobrovsky in the first card. Then we got Jonathan Toews as our second. And then our third, we got Dougie Hamilton as a green. There we go. And then, yeah, there's the back of those cards. I don't know if I showed you guys that already, but there you go. There's Dougie Hamilton. And then, okay, we got something good here. Oh, we got him. You gotta be kidding me. That was one of the cards I'm looking for. No way. No auto on it, unfortunately, but still, we got one. So we got a Sub-Zero out of 999 of Elias Pettersson. Nice. That's one that I really wanted because I've been watching this guy pretty closely. So I mean, I would love it if this one was autoed, but that's still pretty awesome either way. So yeah, I really like that card. Nice freaking pull right there. That's pretty awesome. So we got an Elias card, and then of course back here we got William Karlsson base card. So nice. We got a Sub-Zero of Elias. Very cool. This is the guy you want out of this year for sure. This guy's killing it, so not bad, you guys. That's a cool pull right there. All right, let's put him aside and keep going. We got 2 packs left. This one's very thick, and yeah, so this one's a lot thicker right here. Let's go with this one first and see if I'm correct about that. I usually am. I swear, I'm usually pretty good about this. So, oh, this one's, I don't know though. This one's got a pretty cool looking card in it too, I think. All right, so here we go. All right, so we got, starting with Jeff Skinner as the base right here. And then we got Mitch Marner. There we go. And then our green is a Vladimir Tarasenko, freaking stud out there. Evgeny Malkin here in the back. I do see we have a nice card. Oh, this is a really nice, is this a redemption or something? What is this? Oh no, we got Premier's jerseys of Spencer Fu. Okay, I have no idea who that is. So that's our jersey card. Great. No auto, no nothing. This is a really cool acetate card on top and everything like that too. But I have no idea who this guy is. Spencer Fu. Look at that. That's a it's 2 pieces of acetate on top. That's a really cool looking card. But I wish it was somebody else, to be totally honest with you guys. Oh man. Okay, well there you go. There's that. The jersey is Spencer Fu. There's a nice little black swatch right there for the Calgary Flames. All right, let's put that aside and let's hope this last pack here has some magic in it, because I haven't been super impressed this entire opening yet. So let's see if maybe we get something cool here. Oh man, oh, that's a base card of that guy. Too bad it's not something good. So here we go. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so we got Drew Doughty. Oh man, this might be a base pack or something. We got Sean Couturier. There you go. Let's pull from the back here because I know we got something else. Okay, so here's Connor McDavid. There you go, just a base card, and unfortunately it's not anything really cool. Then we also got Alex DeBrincat right there. And then here's maybe our last hit right here. Let's see what we got. Let's just slow roll it because it's the last card. Who is it? It is a Calgary Flame again. Oh my lord. Juuso Valimaki. Yep, an Ice Premiers right there for the Calgary Flames. So it looks like this was a Calgary Flames box for whatever reason. But there you go. Those are rookie premieres of Juuso Valimaki. All right, well, let's recap the hits real quick. All right, guys, so to be totally honest with you, kind of a bust pack right there. Nothing really insane, but let's go ahead and take a look at what we did get here. So let's start with the green parallels of the base right here. This is a good one. I mean, we got Austin Matthews. It's kind of always a good card to get. But you've got Henrik right there. We got Jack Eichel, Dougie Hamilton, Vladimir Tarasenko, and Sean Couturier. So there's the greens right there we got in the base. And then as far as our Ice Premiers, yep, we got Juuso Valimaki right there. And then we got Christian Wallinen right there. So that's $9.99 and $4.99. So, I mean, these are cool acetate cards, but, I mean, not the best ones you want to get. And then, of course, we did get that, that Premier's jerseys right there of Spencer Fu. Very cool looking card, but of course not the person you'd want to get that card in. And then we did also get our exquisite rookies right there of Dennis Cholowski. Again, not the name you'd want to get. And then honestly, yeah, we got an auto right here, the blue of Christian Vesalainen, but yeah, not the auto that I was looking for, unfortunately. I wish the auto was this guy we're about to talk about here. So we did get 2 rookie Sub-Zeros. We got Anthony Cirelli right there. And then we did get Elias, though. That's probably the saving grace of the box for me, personally. But it's not an auto. If it was an auto, it'd be worth a little bit more. But yeah, still cool to get an Elias card. That's what I was looking for, like I said in the beginning. But yep, that's going to be it right there, you guys. That's pretty much all we got out of that one. All right, guys, so yeah, even though that was a little bit lackluster, we still pulled an Elias, and it was fun to open it because never opened the product before, so I had a lot of fun with it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video and you guys want to see more unboxings like this, make sure you give the video a like, subscribe to the channel so you can see all the videos that come out right as they're posted, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.